To take out a solid chemical from a bottle, unscrew the cap of the bottle carefully and place it onto the bench. Remember to place the cap with its inside facing up. Use a spatula to take the solid chemical out of the bottle and place the chemical on a watch glass. If a spatula is not available, how can you get the desired amount of the solid chemical from the bottle? Just tilt the bottle and rotate it slowly. The chemical will come out from the bottle bit by bit, and you can collect the desired amount. Don't tap the bottle. An excessive amount of the chemical may be forced out, causing wastage and contamination. If you want to transfer the chemical into a test tube, use the small end of the spatula and act gently. Or you can use a piece of folded paper to scoop out a suitable amount of the chemical and place it into the test tube. Don't pour the excess chemical back into the bottle, because the chemical might have been contaminated. Placing it back into the bottle may spoil the whole mass within. If the chemical is poured into the wrong bottle, it could cause vigorous chemical reaction. This is a bottle of liquid chemical. If you want to get the liquid, you should open the bottle in the following way. Remove the glass stopper with your palm and your fingers. Hold it between the palm and the fingers while the liquid is being poured out of the bottle. Replace the stopper immediately after use. If you need only a small amount of liquid, use a dropper to transfer it into a test tube. But be careful not to let the dropper touch the substance inside the test tube. You must not use the same dropper to deliver more than one kind of liquid chemicals, as this would lead to contamination of the liquids in all the bottles. Don't use too much liquid chemical at a time. A little will be enough for reaction to take place in most cases. Too large an amount may lead to vigorous reaction, which is dangerous. How can we mix two liquids in a test tube? Clean the surface of the upper end of the test tube and wrap it with tissue. Clamp it between the thumb and index finger of your left hand and hold it up. Gently tap the index finger of your right hand on the lower end of the test tube repeatedly until the two liquids mix up thoroughly. Never swing a test tube with your thumb covering the opening. Your finger may contaminate the liquids, or the liquids may cause harm to you. Remember to place the test tube upright on the test tube rack. Pour the liquid out from the test tube and wash it immediately after the experiment.